what kind of work Niti Aayog is doing?
Aayog is more of a government organization body,
Okay.
and it is being only working for the benefit and to improve the ecosystem of startup and to boom in the complete India throughout.
अगर कोई नया आइडिया लेके आ रहा है और वो किसी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड ब्रांड को कॉपी कर रहा है,
Copy
तो दे नीड टू चेक वेदर द एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी
that they need to check all the legalities, IP, patent, trademark, everything to be checked over it. And if it's not conflicting with them, I think they are ready to go. They can do it.
बोला जाता है कि स्टार्टअप कल्चर में एक बाइजनेस है। अगर आपके पिच डेक में आईआईटी है, आईआईएम है, तो आपको फंडिंग मिलती है, नहीं तो नहीं मिलती। लाइक इज इट रियल?
No, it's not. It's a myth actually. To be frank, investor को क्या चाहिए होता है? आपको उसमें पैसा लगाना होता है idea पे. And what he looking forward a kind of a unique mindset of the founder.
So Virendra, like you have also mentioned third point as a mentor. The mentor is important. So how do you see the future of platforms like Export Biz?
This platform is very good, because you are getting a good platform where you're trying to meet the startups and mentors together, kind of a unity kind of thing.
Hello everyone, welcome to Uncut presented by Export Bells, where we cover raw voices and real stories. Today we have a very amazing guest with us, Mr. Virendra Sharma, who is working with Niti Aayog, already in touch with so many entrepreneurs, even the entrepreneurs at the school level and the college level. He is also associated and incubated at IIT Delhi, also building his own startup. And today we will, let you know more about the bootstrapping, funding, and that incubation, get incubated at IITs and IIMs, and what are the government fundings, how Niti Aayog is supporting the startups, what kind of government benefits you can take. So today it's going to be a very power packed session with Virendra Sharma, and we'll be learning a lot about startup ecosystem in India. So welcome, Virendra.
Thanks, Priyanka. Thank you so much. It's wonderful to be over here, with the Export Bells after a long time.
So first, we would like to know about you as a startup founder, how you have started, what kind of things you're building, and so that we could have we would be learning something about something from your journey.
Okay, so it was never an easy journey for me actually. Like we always say, startup founder की तो हमेशा लगी रहती है. It's very famous tagline. That's true actually. When I started my startup, initial startup with the name of Integer Innovation, Pixels, and many more startups I've basically created over there. So at that time, what I thought is that I should leave my job because I was doing a lot of my job at that time. I was having a lot of pressures from the family, from the multiple of my friends over there. तो देखेंगे कि आप टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. We should not go with this. But one thing I would tell a startup founder, even if you're not getting a good kind of support, you have to work as a one-man army over there.
Okay.
You have to do everything, starting from content creation, marketing, lead generation, sales, tech part, everything should be well into it. And when I got into IIT Delhi, so there I met one of my friend actually, and we just came with the idea that we should work on this particular idea of the smart machines moving onto the market. Let's capture this at a good scale. So then we came up and we developed a kind of a small POC over there. After POC, we thought, oh, let's make it at a kind of a national level. We started pitching out investors. Luckily, one of the alumni of the IIT Delhi, they captured the eye over the idea and they just start to fund us over there.
Okay.
At that time, IIT of Delhi also supported a lot of over that part. So now I thought basically well, let's got incubated at that time.
Yeah.
See, incubation is not a very easy task over there. You have to be very firm, whether you are able to incubate yourself or you want to operate from home or whether you should go for any kind of co-working space over there. But I will feel incubation has a lot of advantages, which I feel so over the other things.
Okay.
Like you get a lot of support, you get a kind of a infra over there, you get a lot of other leads over there. And IT Delhi is always supportive in that. Okay. So I thought let's go with that. And luckily in 2019 around something we got incubated over there.
Okay.
And there the journey got started from there.
Okay, so you are incubated at IIT Delhi. तो क्या ऐसे बेनिफिट्स एंड सपोर्ट यू गेटिंग फ्रॉम आईआईटी, अगर हम लोग तीन मेजर सपोर्ट की बात करें कि क्या आपको लग रहा है कि यार मुझे आईआईटी दिल्ली से मिल रहा है, मुझे वो कहीं और से नहीं मिल सकता, और प्रोसेस क्या होता है? व्हेन आई टॉक टू द स्टार्टअप्स, उन लोगों को नहीं पता यार क्या इनोवेटर्स है, कैसे कनेक्ट करना है, व्हाट्स द राइट वे, व्हाट क्या हमें आईआईटी दिल्ली चल के जाना है, मतलब क्या करना होता है? वी वुड लाइक टू नो द प्रोसेस.
It's very simple, Priyanka. It's very simple process. See, अगर आपका आइडिया बहुत अच्छा होगा ना, then the You don't need to go to anywhere. The people will come to you actually.
Okay.
So we just manifest our idea in the form of a mail to the dean of the college, and there we got a trigger over there. They invited us to listen up to idea, and after a week point of processing, they told us to fill a form. तो आपको जब भी कोई आईटी में आपको जाना है, आपको एक फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ेगा, इंक्यूबेशन फॉर्म, with the kind of all the proofs that why you want to run this idea, आपका आइडिया का impact क्या होगा society में, what are the solution problems, everything. And then post that now you have to basically look on to the all the further parameters, how much invest, क्योंकि IT Delhi gives you a kind of financial strength also,
Okay.
apart from incubation. They try to make you meet with investors, they eliminate us over there, they help us to visit a lot of events over there, and then we have to basically present your idea. So एक पूरा back support रहता है. Any kind of mentor which you require, any kind of professor you require from IT Delhi is always there for you 24/7. आप कभी भी उनसे आके मिल सकते हो, they can take a help. But yes, if you are incubated, you need a mentor of IT as a compulsion over there. You need a mentor of IT actually.
Okay.
So that's a very like a core component you should be there.
Okay. You have also mentioned कि एक फॉर्म फिल करना होता है incubation के लिए, तो वो फॉर्म कहाँ मिल सकता है, मुझे बता सकते हैं?
On the IT Delhi website also, and even when you go to the incubation center over there,
Okay.
definitely can get from there also. The name is FIT.
Fit.
Foundation Innovation is basically a FIT organization over there in the IT Delhi. You can visit over there and fill the form.
Okay, that is possible. That's
That-
very, very acceptable. Okay. So, funding benefit you have mentioned. तो ideation stage पे, early stage पे भी IT really support करता है?
Absolutely. The ideation stage also you can get the funding if you are a very good, you have a very strong idea, and you're backed by the lot of investors who are able to ready to invest in your idea itself. Definitely the IIT will charge you some kind of equity base.
Okay.
वहाँ पे दो रहते हैं, equity based होते हैं वहाँ पे, and something is that you are bootstrapped completely. IT is not going to help you. They're only going to provide you the infra support only over there.
Okay.
And if you're like looking for the kind of financial support, obviously they're going to make you meet with a lot of investors which are coming,
Working opportunity.
working opportunities, a lot of things as ample actually. Once you're on the IT Delhi with incubated, there's like opportunities आपके पास खुद आएंगी चल के. You don't have to go anywhere, समझो ना.
Networking helps. That what
A lot.
lot. Because suppose if you with a good network, you can ask someone from industry
Absolutely.
to learn and का बंदा वो एक इतना बड़ा मतलब एक वेब की तरह
You get a network over there actually, and you never know कि आपको किस चीज की क्या नहीं पड़ जाए. Always available to you on the spot. They want to just drop a mail and let's work it on.
एक ये आई थिंक मे बी ये एक मिथ है या फिर समथिंग रियलिटी इनटू दिस कि बोला जाता है कि स्टार्टअप जैसे गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है SC ST वाला और काफ़ी चीज़ों पे हम देखते हैं कि इंडिया में जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी है और हर चीज़ को लेके डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है बोला जाता है कि स्टार्टअप कल्चर में एक बाइजनेस है अगर आपके पिच डेक में IIT है IIM है तो आपको फंडिंग मिलती है नहीं तो नहीं मिलती लाइक इज इट रियल
No, it's not. It's a myth actually, to be frank. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. अगर आपका आइडिया बहुत स्ट्रांग है, कहीं से कॉपीड नहीं है, तो देखिए इन्वेस्टर को क्या चाहिए होता है, आपको उसको तो पैसा लगाना है आपके आइडिया पे. एंड व्हाट ही लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड अ काइंड ऑफ अ यूनिक माइंडसेट ऑफ द फाउंडर कि अगर उसमें देखा कि हाँ, उसमें फायर है फाउंडर में, यस ही कैन डू इट. तो डेफिनेटली शार्क टैंक जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म है, दे आर लाइक दैट आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट कॉन्सेप्ट ओनली. तो ये पूरी मिथ होती है कि जैसे डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, आई डोंट बिलीव सो फॉर. If you have very good idea and you are really up to the make it to into reality over there, आपका जो ड्रीम है अभी आपका रियलिटी में बनेगा थोड़ा टाइम बाद, आई थिंक सो लाइक यू कैन डू अ वेरी बिग इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल. आई डोंट थिंक सो ऐसा कुछ चैलेंजेस होते हैं, कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता है, नथिंग एज सच.
बट कुछ तो बेनिफिट होता होगा ना दैट पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम Tier 2 Tier 3 उनके पास वो राइट मेंटोर्स नहीं है नेटवर्क नहीं है जो IIT और IIMs में होता है
True,
Right.
true, absolutely.
the accessibility of resources is
It's more actually in the IT Delhi actually, yeah. And not even IT Delhi, if you talk about Niti Aayog, where I'm also working at the present moment. So I'm visiting a lot of schools and colleges. And you won't believe small kids of 8 and 9, they are actually working on wonderful ideas.
okay.
The only thing lacking is the right pattern, the guidance. And Niti Aayog is there to help and support. They want to get a quite mentorship, everything over there.
Okay, so like how what kind of work Niti Aayog is doing? कैसे वो किन किन को हेल्प कर रहे हैं कौन से स्टार्टअप्स उनसे हेल्प ले सकते हैं and what kind of support they are providing? We would like to know about something about
All
Niti Aayog,
okay.
Startup India and everything.
Niti Aayog is more of a government organization body.
Okay.
And it is being only working for the benefit and the improve the ecosystem of startup and to boom in the complete India throughout. So now what they have done, they have established a lot of thinking labs in the schools and colleges,
Okay.
and they are basically helping all the students over there to come with the creative ideas, and in where they are going to regularly listen to it. That's basically a kind of a boom. And we as a mentor are basically deployed at various schools and colleges, and we are there to help them out
Okay. You people as a mentor.
as a mentor.
The students.
Like, so the common areas are financial support kind of thing that is not being provided, but yes, creation of a pitch deck, pitching to investors, what is the right time, right idea, right addition stage and all, how to pitch, where to meet, how to communicate to idea, where the idea should go at what level. Each and everything should be properly documented, and then we have to take the approval from the Niti Aayog to present it at like in front of investors, or it can be any other governing body.
Wait, this is something very good that that's the students are learning at such younger age. Everything about pitching, pitch deck, investors. That is something great.
I'm really shocked when I visit a lot of schools and small kids, they are not feeling interest in the studies, but they want to spend everything every time on the startup idea. और मैं एक से मिला था, I was very shocked to see how he's actually working crazy on his startup idea throughout 24/7.
What age?
He's just in ninth only.
Oh,
Just think of that.
might be.
He's missing his classes in the school. He's bunking his classes just to work on the idea. That's
स्कूल्स में अगर हम देखें तो बहुत नई नई जनरेशन आ रही, वी कैन सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया। तो किस तरीके के आइडियाज वहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहे हैं हमें?
Mostly we will see that they're working on the microcontrollers. They are working on the satellites idea. They're working on satellites, building a satellites kind of the BOC kind of thing. And they're also working the AI ML. Now, हमारी generation में AI ML नहीं था, like it's very new for us, and they have only started working on that predefined, like पहले से वो काम कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. I'm really shocked कि वो क्या-क्या लेके आ रहे हैं ideas अपने पास. They are working on the robot. They're working on robotics and all. They're working on the machine learning algorithms. I mean, really astonishing.
मतलब सराउंडेड बाय टेक्नोलॉजी
पूरा
पूरा पूरा
पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी से सराउंडेड है, एंड द गुड थिंग इज दे आर कम्पीटिंग विद द कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स एट ए टेक फेस्ट. अब मैं कहीं जाता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ कौन से कॉलेज से, सर हम कॉलेज से नहीं, हम
ये
स्कूल.
कौन से स्कूल्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं? नीति आयोग अगर हेल्प कर रहा है तो किस तरीके के स्कूल्स को कर रहा है?
It's basically every school which is like able to like take the support of Niti Aayog. They just need to be ordered.
प्राइवेट और
Yes, both. Yes.
मतलब जैसे हम लोग देखें कि कोई भी स्कूल से, क्योंकि स्कूल्स में भी एक बहुत है ना, एक नवोदय केंद्रीय विद्यालय भी है, दैट हम लोग को देखा जाता है कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है तो वहां पर बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट रहता है, या फिर एक प्राइवेट चल रहा है जीडी गोइंका डीपीएस एंड एवरीथिंग। तो
So I will tell you one thing, the only condition the school should have is they should have a good lab over there to set up their thinking lab. If they have a good lab, yeah, so that should have a very ample, good space over there. अगर स्कूल के बाद कोई ऐसी लैब पड़ी हुई है, then Niti Aayog is there to help them out.
okay, हाँ, like the word you know mentioning like multiple times, that is the thinking labs। तो ये
Yes,
क्या है?
it
Like, it is physical space।
yeah, it's a physical space, something a good area, and it should have a proper setup over there, machinery, computer systems, everything should be available for the students over there.
Okay.
If they don't have something like that, so they can tell the help of Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog will come into action and will help them to fund or provide them some kind of infra support as well, and then thereafter they can carry on.
बिकॉज हमारे टाइम में तो हमने सिर्फ केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स लैब ही देखा था, अब थिंकिंग लैब्स भी आ रहा है, दैट इज समथिंग फॉर द
Yes,
फ्यूचर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स, राइट?
absolutely. It's known as ATL labs actually. So school need to tell to Niti Aayog, we need to set up ATL labs.
Okay.
And
And one more complaints, because we are in very much touch with the founders at the ground level, तो बहुत ही कंप्लेन आ रही है कि गवर्नमेंट की सिर्फ पॉलिसीज है, ये है, बट एक्चुअल में गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है।
no, nothing like that, Priyanka. Frankly speaking, many of people and college students, they have taken the help of Startup India as well.
Okay.
And Niti Aayog also come into action to help them out. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि like उनको support नहीं मिल रहा, but the thing is like I've seen that many people actually they fill the form on Startup India and Niti Aayog, but then they vanish. They don't come back. They don't follow.
They don't follow.
Niti Aayog need to drop them mails. Please, you have not filled the form properly. तो कहते हैं हमने form fill कर दिया. They are least interested to go further with the Niti Aayog process.
Okay.
So I think so, like either they are filling for fun or something like that, but the
Not
people who are very serious, yeah,
Not taking
they're not very serious.
हाँ, क्योंकि जब व्हेन वी आल्सो लेट देम नो अबाउट कि स्टार्टअप इंडिया है, फंड मिल रहा है इन्हें, कि बहुत चक्कर लगाने पड़ते हैं, बट आई लाइक आई आल्सो डोंट बिलीव इन दिस बिकॉज़ आई कैन सी दैट स्टार्टअप्स आर गेटिंग गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फंड्स, गुड
They are
सपोर्ट एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ों, टैक्स एग्जेम्पशंस एंड एवरीथिंग स्टार्टअप्स आर गेटिंग।
right.
तो दिस इज समथिंग नॉट राइट, राइट?
Not right actually.
या
They want कि हमें join करते ही we should register ourselves, we should get the fund within 5 or 6 days. That's not possible actually.
नो
It takes a lot of months and for approval process. And I should be very strong as well. अगर आप idea pitching नहीं है तो it's not very strong, impactive. तो definitely they are not going to release the funds for you. सो इट ओनली पॉसिबल आपका आइडिया में रियली कुछ दम है, आप कर पा रहे हो आगे लाइफ में, तभी वो आपके स्टार्टअप में फंड कर पाएंगे। ये तो दे कैन गिव यू एनी काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट। आपको कुछ लीगल हेल्प चाहिए, आपको कुछ लाइक फाइनेंस हेल्प चाहिए, सम अकाउंटेंसी हेल्प चाहिए, आपको दे आर इंडिया विल सेव फॉर यू।
और कुछ ऐसे इंडस्ट्री या कुछ ऐसे आइडिया या कौन से ऐसे फैक्टर्स है लाइक दे प्ले अ वाइटल रोल अगर कोई स्टार्टअप है दैट दे सीक फंड्स फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट, तो गवर्नमेंट्स हैव समथिंग इन माइंड कि हम लोग इस तरीके की इंडस्ट्री को सपोर्ट करेंगे या इस तरीके के आइडियाज को या इस तरीके के फाउंडर्स को हम लोग सपोर्ट करना चाहेंगे। डू दे हैव एनी क्राइटेरिया लाइक दिस?
नो, नथिंग एज सच, इट्स वेरी ओपन टू ऑल। कोई भी किसी भी स्ट्रीम में, किसी वर्टिकल में, इफ दे आर कमिंग एंड प्रेजेंट देयर आइडियाज, दे आर ओपन टू टेक इट अप।
ओके।
द ओनली थिंग इज यू आइदर शुड बी कॉपीड। अगर कोई लेके आ रहा है कि ये पेटेंट आइडिया है, उसी कॉपी करके लेके आ रहा है, दैट्स एक्चुअली इलीगल।
इलीगल।
दे शुड नॉट लाइक डू दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स।
अगर आप कॉपी भी कर रहे हो लाइक इट्स क्वाइट फाइन।
हम्म,
ऐसा नहीं है कि हर टाइम आप कुछ नया ही लेकर आने वाले हो,
राइट।
बट यू मस्ट बी हैविंग गुड विजन, कुछ एग्जीक्यूशन
जैसे
स्ट्रेटजीज।
इनोवेटिव कुछ होना चाहिए। इवन इफ कोई बोलता है कि मैं स्विगी की तरह मैं डिलीवरी ऐप बना रहा हूँ, सो व्हाट्स इनोवेटिव इन दैट? इट्स ऑलरेडी एस्टैब्लिश्ड, स्टार्टेड इन द मार्केट,
हाउ यू वुड
समथिंग
बी
न्यू।
डिफरेंट, व्हाट वुड बी योर यूएसपी?
एग्जैक्टली। अब ऐसा नहीं कि ही इज गिवन 10 मिनट्स, यू विल गिव 5 मिनट्स,
या
सो दैट कैन बी इनोवेटिव, बट हाउ टू डू दैट, दैट्स योर जॉब, दैट्स स्टार्टअप जॉब एक्चुअली।
नहीं, बट जैसे ग्रोफर्स आया, फिर ब्लिंकिट आया कि हम 10 मिनट में कर रहे हैं, तो 15, जैसे अब आ गया है क्विक कॉमर्स, लाइक
कोई कॉमर्स
ई कॉमर्स था पहले, बट ई कॉमर्स के बाद अब क्विक कॉमर्स आ गया। वी गुड नॉट हैव थिंक ऑफ कि हमें सच में घर बैठे बैठे कोई चीज 5 मिनट 10 मिनट में मिल सकती है।
ट्रू, 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 एब्सोल्युटली। तो वहाँ पे भी एक तरह का ड्रॉबैक आता है कि पीएम में कॉपी, अगर आप कॉपी करके लेके आ रहे हो अपने आइडिया को, तो ये सोचना चाहिए कि आपको कि उससे कोई लीगैलिटीज़ इम्पैक्ट नहीं आएगा आपके आइडियाज़ के ऊपर। अगर आपने प्रेज़ेंट कर दिया, तो कल को वो स्टार्टअप भी आप पे लीगल केस कर सकता है कि यू आर कॉपिंग माय आइडिया एंड कॉपिंग एवरीथिंग। यू शुड बी वेरी लाइक वेरी, वेरी केयरफुल इन दैट पर्सपेक्टिव एंड पैरामीटर्स। एंड सेकंड थिंग इज़ कि अगर आप आइडिया लेके आ भी रहे हो, तो व्हाट प्रॉब्लम यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व?
नहीं, बट क्या आइडिया हम लोग कॉपी नहीं कर सकते?
If idea is patented, then we are not right to copy that idea at all.
तो लाइक दिस इज स्विगी और जोमेटो एक जैसे हैं, तो मतलब
They might be having no, they might be having some kind of the differentiation between them. If you go through the case study of the Swiggy and Blinkit, they have a kind of differentiation between them. अब Zepto है, Zepto came into market. I thought the like was Zepto. अब Zepto में क्या है कि दिवाली पे they started distribute चिंगारी boxes along with the kind of a order delivery. So that's something new concept I liked about them.
Okay.
सो अगर वो कोई कॉपी करके दोबारा कोई डिलीवरी करता है, तो दैट्स नॉट पेटेंट वन। अगर वो ब्लिंकिट कहता है मेरा पेटेंट आइडिया है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, तो ज़ोमैटो से आर नॉट लाइक अलाउड टू डू दैट।
ओके।
सो यू शुड बी वेरी, वेरी केयरफुल। अगर पेटेंट है, देन यू ओपन, यू कैन डू इट एज़
मतलब अगर कोई नया आइडिया लेके आ रहा है और वो किसी ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग एस्टैब्लिश्ड ब्रांड को कॉपी कर रहा है,
कॉपी
तो दे नीड टू चेक वेदर द एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी हैज
when you check all the legalities,
legality.
IP, patent, trademark, everything, don't you check over it. And if it's not conflicting with them, I think they are ready to go, they can do it.
ओके। जैसे अमेज़न था, मिंत्रा था, तो उनको ही देखकर मीशो आया,
हुँ,
बट उन्होंने अपना टारगेट मार्केट जो था उनका डिफरेंट
थोड़ा डिफरेंट था,
था।
राइट, राइट।
Okay. So like you wouldn't like as we see your experience, you already touch with entrepreneurs at such young age. So like what three advice you would love to give to the entrepreneurs जो they want to dive into the ecosystem, मतलब प्लान कर रहे हैं कि हमें आना चाह रहा है या फिर कोई जॉब कर रहे हैं कि नहीं यार हमें नहीं करनी जॉब, हमें खुद का कुछ स्टार्ट करना है, तो what would be your advice to them?
I would say 3 to 4 advice to them. First of all, never give up. I have seen people, the students of the Niti Aayog, actually they are coming to me कि हमारे पेरेंट्स कहें फोकस करो, बोर्ड के एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं, फोकस ऑन दैट, बट दे से सर हमारा पूरा फोकस स्टार्टअप पे रहता है। हाउ कैन वी कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द स्टडीज़? अब मुझे कोई प्रोडक्ट को लेके आना है जल्दी, तो मैं स्टडीज़ पे फोकस नहीं कर पा, दैट माई प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली ना, आई नीड टू स्कोर वेल। तो ये जो प्रेशर रहता है, प्लीज़ अवॉइड दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर। if you are dedicated, you're focused, please be on your right path. I would suggest him. Second, never give up. With that time, I know you will take a lot of time. Initially, किसी भी का startup grow नहीं हो पाता. It taken a lot of years, even months also.
The persistence,
Persistence, consistency, you should be having into your startup mentorship as well. And you should have one mentor in your life. If you have a mentor, the things will be very easy for you because you're gaining experience from that mentor and you are going to build your startup pillars very firmly and very faster as well. And the fourth one is stick to your idea. I've seen people are diverting from their ideas a lot. आज उनका आइडिया ये है कि मेरे को डिलीवरी करनी है. सेकंड है, आई थिंक मेरे को डिलीवरी करनी है, बट इफ आई वांट टू डू डिलीवरी आई आल्सो नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द अदर थिंग्स एज वेल. लाइक मुझे 10 मिनट डिलीवरी करनी है, कहीं से टूल सुन लिया, 10 इंप्लीमेंट कर दिया. स्टिक टू आइडिया. व्हाट इज द आइडिया यू हैव इन द स्टार्टिंग, जस्ट बिल्ड द स्टार्टअप ओवर दैट.
So Virendra, like you have also mentioned third point as a mentor. कि mentor is important. So how do you see the future of platforms like Export Biz, जहाँ पे we support startup founders कि आप you come and choose your mentor, talk to them, learn from the mistakes and everything. How do you see the future of that platform?
This platform is very good, because you are getting a good platform where you're trying to meet the starters and mentors together, a kind of a unity kind of thing. And moreover, I feel so it like every startup founder needs a mentor at the end. If you're going alone, so I don't know where you're going to reside. Basically, you might fail, you might get stuck somewhere. There, the role of mentor comes into action. He has a good network. He can help you to build and connect with right people at your which is required at that moment. So I think Expert West are doing very good actually because they are going to connect the startup funnel together. And I think it's going to benefit a lot in the future as well.
Yeah, like when we have talked earlier, when it comes to IITs, IIMs, why they are more successful, why there's a biasness as people say, because they are accessible to the right set of network, right mentorship they has been provided to them. So and like very 1% of the people, one of us, even less than 1% startup founders are associated with IITs and IIMs.
Absolutely.
Rest of the 99%, the startup founders coming from tier 2 or not from the IITs, IIMs background. So उनके लिए, I think this is a platform where they can seek right guidance, mentorship, and you can learn.
True. The most about learning actually. I will say those who fail to plan, then they plan to fail. That's always a good quotation from my side to every startup entrepreneur who is going to start his own startup in the future. Because see, platform is there. We have got the right guidance, and this is the matter of my niche area. If my niche area is my tech, so I will go to this mentor over there, and this kind of platform make them to connect with the right people and right. As at most of the time we see the ideally people, they are getting a lot of supports, but as you said, Pringle, the right thing, they are not getting for the tier 2 and tier 3 cities and colleges as well. So I think these platforms are needed in the future. They are really a kind of a helping support for all the budding entrepreneurs who come in the market.
And one more thing, wherein like I got some questions from the founders कि हम लोग government से funding ले तो ले, when we go to the website we see the success rate is too less. तो ये success rate का क्या relation है कि वो इतना कम क्यों दिखाता है? जैसे government website पे PCP apply for the funding, most of the time the application got rejected and only very few selected startup. वो भी कई बार किसी का क्वेश्चन होता है कि ऐसे नहीं, कुछ कनेक्शंस होते हैं या कुछ होता है. तो like what's your view on this?
I think that success rate is actually wrong interpreted. It means basically who has built their startup very well at the young age and they are going go to the market. It's not the rate for that percentage which we see that those are got funded. But the funded startup is more around 15% out of 100 we talk about. And I feel so like there are many startups who get their idea rejected at the early stage. The problem is because their ideas are not right meeting the criteria of the Niti Aayog or the Startup India over there. What I feel so. So they should rework on the idea. They should come up with the new idea concept. It shouldn't be copied. As I told you, there shouldn't be any patent idea. It should be copied and all. And moreover, you should also work on the parameters like जो आपके जो startup के जो आपके parameters is not meeting at the right time, they are going to reject your application. So that's I think where the people are getting very demotivated. कि we have pushed our application multiple times, but we are not getting a funding. So funding रातों रात नहीं आती. It takes a lot of time. It takes a month or
या
year
बहुत
also.
बार लोग पूछते हैं कि क्राइटेरिया क्या है, अच्छा ये है, प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कर लिया, लीगल स्ट्रक्चर रेडी है तो हम लोग स्टार्टअप नहीं उड़े, तो ऐसा नहीं होता। इट्स नॉट लाइक कि मुझे गली में एक दुकान खोलनी है, उसके लिए मुझे फंडिंग चाहिए तो चलो प्राइवेट लिमिटेड बना दी, स्टार्टअप इंडिया में डाल दिया और दुकान के लिए पैसा आ जाए।
No, because
ऐसा
Tata
नहीं
Media has a lot of criteria behind the scenes. I mean,
criteria.
they have, if you are fulfilling the criteria, they are most going to welcome you on the board.
Yeah. So I think Virendra, like what we see कि जैसे जो स्टार्टअप इंडिया है, एक्चुअली दे हैव सेलेक्टेड सम ऑफ द इंक्यूबेटर्स, आर इंक्यूबेटर्स आर द मीडियम,
Right,
राइट?
right.
तो लाइक हाउ इंक्यूबेटर्स प्ले अ रोल इन बिटवीन एज
Okay, so
हाउ स्टार्टअप्स नीड टू सेलेक्ट द इंक्यूबेटर्s, वो भी एक काफी चैलेंजिंग होता है उनके लिए।
absolutely. See, incubators play a vital role in your startup journey because the things which you need in the initial stage, like you need a space to make your team sit over there, you need a softwares, you need a team, mentor, guidance, and everything. So I think incubator is going to help you with all those things actually in the initial stage. Like I talk about the IT incubators, there are many co-working space also outside, but it depends on the pricing model is totally different and the guidance which your college incubator will give you, not those co-working space not going to give you at all. Like so, क्योंकि that's a kind of a connection bond because this students of my college should give more possibilities, more opportunities for this. So definitely you're going to get a lot of opportunities from your college incubator as compared to the outside co-working spaces.
तो incubators charges startup something, charging something,
Uh,
money or
they
fee?
they do sometimes. Some colleges are not charging any kind of the fee, and some
Depends.
do. It depends upon the college to college criteria.
College to college. और एक मैं थोड़ा-सा कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन लाना चाहूँगी। बहुत स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड में अभी बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है कि फंडिंग बस बातों में है, हवाओं में है, बट मिल नहीं रही है। कि मतलब हम इन्वेस्टर के पास जाते हैं, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट के पास जाते हैं और इनफैक्ट इस सारी गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट स्कीम्स, पॉलिसीज़ को लेकर एक फ्रॉड भी मार्केट में बहुत चल रहा है। दैट इज़ कि मुझे 5 लाख दो, तुम्हें 5 करोड़ का फंडिंग मिलेगा, मुझे 10 लाख दे, तुम्हें 1 करोड़ का फंडिंग मिलेगा। तो इज़ इट ये मतलब कैसे इसको ओवर, क्योंकि नए फाउंडर आए हैं, ठीक है, स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम में, दे नॉट वेरी मच अवेयर अबाउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग। उन्होंने कहीं से भी गूगल से कुछ सर्च किया, दे कॉल्ड कि हमको ये स्टार्टअप करना है एंड वी नीड सम फंड्स टू एग्जीक्यूट। तो उन लोग का ये हो गया कि ठीक है, हाँ, वी कैन गेट यू फंड्स, नो प्रॉब्लम, व्हाट्स यू हैव टू पे अस दिस मच ऑफ अमाउंट, 1 लाख, 2 लाख, 5 लाख जितना भी है, इतना दे दो, आपको 10 दिन में 50 लाख, 1 करोड़, 2 करोड़, जितना भी मतलब उन लोगों का है कि उन्होंने कोट कर दिया। तो इससे कैसे बचे, लाइक हाउ वी कैन फाइंड सम रियल पीपल, और कौन ऐसे लोग हैं जहाँ से एक्चुअल में हमको हेल्प मिल सकती है?
Frankly, Priyanka, I've never came across this kind of the flaw which you're talking about right now. But yes, you struggle a lot to get a funding initial state, specifically the ideation stage. People think कि मेरे को आइडिया पे पैसा मिल जाए, but ऐसा नहीं होता. You need to present the idea in the right time. There's a time for each and everything actually. The thing will go into place automatically.
ओके।
The thing is only you need to look onto your idea perfectly. अगर आपका आइडिया अच्छा है तो इन्वेस्टर को तो खुशी होगी इन्वेस्ट करने में. But the thing is where to get investment from. The thing is, if you are incubated at IT Delhi or any other incubators, and if they also have a lot of source of the investors, they have a lot of alumni list and all, तो कॉलेज तो आपको खुशी खुशी आपको इन्वेस्टर ला के देगा. क्योंकि अगर उसी कॉलेज से एक स्टार्टअप बन के आया तो उससे तो कॉलेज की is going to be increase the repo over there. So definitely you should get the funding only from your known networks first of all, not from the unknown networks. Try to be a little bit cautious when you choose an investor.
Wherein we would like to know ki what all like benefits we can avail using government schemes, especially the Niti Aayog and Startup India, and what would be the criteria, like who all are eligible for these schemes?
For the Niti Aayog, only the college students and the school students are only eligible for the same.
Only the students, the
Yes,
criteria is
yes,
fees
only.
उन सब students ही apply
Yes,
कर
yes.
सकते हैं, not
And for Startup, it's totally open to everyone.
okay.
If you go for Startup India, you need to fill the application form. You go to their website, fill the form over there, and I think within a week or so, you will get a reply. Then they will give you one kind of the further one kind of certificate that you are authorized right now to go with the, and you can search over there what connection you want to help on everything like.
Okay, and major benefits we can avail of.
Niti Aayog is the many benefits is like you're getting everything on hand beforehand. You just need to ask within the next day, you will get it immediately. So immediate activity will be happen across your board. You talk about your mentors. अगर आप स्कूल में हो, you need a help on the technical part. So just ask your mentor कि मुझे इसमें PPT में वो help चाहिए. I want a technological expert on this technology. I'm not able to move forward. I'm stuck somewhere in the programming languages. So that mentor is going to connect with some other real networks, other mentors in the same region, and then he's going to get a very next day help only.
Okay.
So it's very fast over there in
So
Ethiopia.
what I can conclude, it's better to start your startup at young age.
Definitely. Start at a young age only, I must say actually.
Okay, let's go for a rapid fire round. Like
Okay, fine.
बहुत ज़्यादा
Right.
ज्ञान हो चुका है. Let's go for. Okay. Virendra, one skill every founder must have.
Consistency and the mindset, right mindset.
Okay. The Shark Tank or Y Combinator.
Shark Tank.
Indian audience.
Oh,
Storytelling that's करता है. ChatGPT or human creativity.
human creativity. Obviously.
SaaS or D2C.
SaaS.
Books or podcast.
Podcast, I think. Real
Okay. Work-life balance or hustle 24/7.
work-life balance.
And bootstrapped or investor funding.
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap.
Bootstrap is smooth.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much. It was a amazing time with you, Virendra.
Thank you.
Yeah.